I hate casinos and lotteries. They're a nightmare for trading. Just kidding, I don't care. Lots of people believe in roulette and lottery tickets, but I couldn't care less. If you're like me and don't just go with the flow and you shape your own future, then you're in the right place. I'm Simon, a pro trader. Today I'll share a strategy that's based on experience and analytics. It's super effective and clear even for beginners. No magic or luck, just stats. Hey guys, Simon here, the guy with 7 years of trading under his belt. I won't brag, but my win rate is a solid 88.7%. I love living life with the buy it if I want it vibe. Want to live like that too? Join my private trading club. I'll show you how to start living this way. 3 times a day, I host open trading sessions. I trade and my subscribers see all my trades and entry points. All you need to do is copy my moves. Each session brings in an average of 700. And with 3 sessions a day, imagine how much that adds up to a month or even a week. Simple math. I'm 28 and I've been trading for 7 years. That's a quarter of my life. Some might think that's not too much, but just look at my Lamborghini. And guess what? I bought it without a loan. Now I can get another one without a hitch if I want to. Want to live like that? Click the link in the description and the first pinned comment. Alright, ready to kick things off, shall we? First things first, we're heading on over to the trading platform and getting it ready. Alright, let's set the trade time to 1 minute and hey, the deposit rate is 100. This strategy has already netted me over 30,000. And the best part is that it's based on classic risk management. So, kissing your deposit goodbye? Not gonna happen. Now let's set our candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. Onto the currency pairs. Today we're going with Aussie and the Canadian dollar, Aussie and the Swiss franc, Aussie and the New Zealand dollar, the Australian and the US dollar. All of these currency rates are boasting a juicy 92% rate. Sounds good. And last but not least, the secret sauce, our analytical buddies, the stochastic and the RSI indicators. Stay tuned till the end and I'll break down how they work and how they help understand the chart. Now it's time for the grand reveal of one of my safe strategies. Your undivided attention, please. The Australian and the US dollar. Both indicators are screaming price hike, and those bullish candlesticks, they are itching to break through the resistance. We gotta be careful and wait for the perfect entry point. We're seeing some movement. Let's click higher. And boom, this was a smart move. We went in with caution and clarity. As a result, 192. But attention here, we'll stash away the 100 and invest the rest 92. Got it? I'm not gonna use my initial deposit because if something goes wrong, I'll still have it. Aussie and the New Zealand dollar, the chart doesn't seem primed for an upward movement, plus the stochastic indicator signals a drop in buy interest. Let's go with lower. Very good. We're keeping 100 aside one more time and investing 176 again. Alright, Aussie and the Swiss franc. Both indicators suggest a downward trend. A strong bullish bounce ends with sellers pushing the price back to the previous support level. We're opting for a lower trade here. Recently, someone asked me, are you sure you're not using magic outside of Hogwarts? Of course not. Magic, luck, superstitions, they are for wimps. I rely on pure analytics and experience. I don't like taking risks. No, scratch that. I don't take risks. I openly and honestly share all my decisions, thoughts and strategies on my Telegram. My subscribers, or rather my students, constantly share their success stories. Some have bought houses, some have moved to other countries, and some have paid for their kids' education. So it works. You know where the link is, so stop questioning and just click it. Meanwhile, trade number 3 nets me 438. I'm steadily growing while keeping my initial deposit intact. Beautiful. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. The volume on this asset is relatively low. We can see that from the short candles. This indicates buyers lack the strength to push the chart upward. Let's go with lower. $749, no need for envy, anyone can do it this way. Let's adjust the deposit rate. Moving on to the Australian and the US dollar, it's evident that buyers have exhausted their potential and we're likely looking at a downward movement. Both indicators confirm our prediction. Let's hit that button. I'm passing on 7 years of trading wisdom, so it's time to show some appreciations. Hit that like button to put a smile on your personal trading coach's face. $1,346, and it's a fantastic result. We now have 346 saved up and we're investing 1,000. The Australian and the New Zealand dollar, judging by the ratio of green and red candles, buyers are more active on this pair. They're pushing prices to new heights. I suspect this pattern will repeat itself even after the red candles. Here we go. We've reached 2,266. Can you guess how much I'm investing now? Just 1,000. Why? Because there's no need to be greedy. Chasing bigger gains can lead to bigger losses, so don't be greedy, guys. Aussie and the Swiss franc, sellers are clearly dominating this pair, pulling the price down. It's pretty obvious that the red candles are getting strong here. We're trading lower. Going further, the Australian and the Canadian dollar, both indicators signal a drop with powerful red candles dominating. It's as if all the buyers have left the asset. Let's go with lower. If you want to trade like a pro, you need to level up your knowledge. That's why I'm dishing out indicator insights, trading tricks, and dissecting mistakes in my trading club for free. Every single day I share trading signals with my 24,000 subscribers, and together we make over 494,000 per session. If you want to be one of them, all you gotta do is subscribe using the first link in the description or pinned comment. $4,106 in my account. Amazing. Let's keep going. The situation looks similar for the Australian dollar and bucks. Both indicators and candle patterns suggest a price drop. Let's ride the wave down. Today we're utilizing excellent indicators as promised earlier. Here they are. The RSI helps gauge the market sentiment. Its value scale allows you to assess the overall trend strength as well as the current level of oversold or overbought assets. The stochastic is highly effective in predicting price changes, making it ideal for anticipating upcoming impulses and the direction of candle movements. And just like that, we've surpassed 5,000. My initial investment is now virtually safe. Let's wrap up the session on a high note. Aussie and the New Zealand dollar. Both are persistently driving the price higher. Stochastic indicates a continuation of the movement. That's it. Incredible. This strategy is truly mind-blowing. 5,946. On my channel, I'm dedicated to helping both beginners and advanced traders elevate their skills and achieve great results. Just yesterday, members of my club made $700 per person. I know how daunting it can be to start trading without any support or a solid understanding of the market. About 6 years ago, my win rate was not as high and I faced setbacks, but I did not give up. I analyzed my mistakes and sought out strategies. Now I have over 1.2 million. Not too shabby, right? The key is to act wisely. That's why I've created the safest trading environment possible, alongside my community in my private trading club. There I post educational content, risk management strategies, and effective trading techniques. You can ask me any questions. I'm here to provide clear, understandable answers. And don't worry, no question is too basic. I'll even show you which buttons to press to get started. And the best part, it's all free. Join us using the first link in the description or pinned comment.